Welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make French toast. And French toast is almost like a sandwich. Let's see the ingredients. Bread, white pepper powder, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, milk, salt to taste. Last is egg. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients. Now we're going to add the egg. Next we're going to add milk. Next we're going to add white pepper powder. Next we're going to add cinnamon powder. Next we're going to add salt. We're going to add vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix it. Turn on the stove in medium flame. Now dip the bread in the mixture and add it on the pan. Add the butter. On the other side. It's cooked now. Time to it to the plate. Ta-da! Look at how our French toast